This video will provide tips for reading your electronic lesson book as an EPUB file on an iPad. You'll learn how to change the viewing options, search for words, add bookmarks, look up definitions, add highlights and notes, and listen to your lesson book. To expand the menu of viewing options, click on the icon with the two of the letters A in the upper right of your lesson book. You can use this menu to change the brightness of your screen, change the font size, select a different font type, and choose from different themes. The next icon in the upper right of the lesson book is a magnifying glass. Opening this tool will allow you to search for words in your lesson book. When typing in search terms, you'll see the option to search for the term on the web or Wikipedia for further information. The last feature available in the upper right of your lesson book is the Bookmark Tool. To add or remove a bookmark, simply click the icon. To see a list of all the bookmarks you have saved in your lesson book, you can go back to the Contents page by clicking on Contents tool next to Library and then selecting Bookmarks. Additional tools are available anytime you double-click on a word in your lesson book. To look up a definition, you can double-click a word, then select Define. The options to search the web or search Wikipedia will appear with definitions as well. The same menu that appears when double-clicking on text will also allow you to add highlights and notes. To highlight the text or add a note, drag the beginning and end of the selected content to include what you want to mark, then select Highlight or Note. To see all the highlights and notes you have added to your lesson book, you can go back to Contents, then click Notes. Double-clicking on a note will take you back to that section of the lesson book. The final feature available when double-clicking text is to have your iPod speak the words to you. To turn the Speak tool on or off, or to change how the iPad sounds when reading your lesson book aloud, you'll need to open your iPad's General Settings, then go to Accessibility. Clicking on Speak selection will open a menu that will allow you to select a voice and speaking rate that suits you. Now that you know how to change the viewing options, search for words, add bookmarks, look up definitions, add highlights and notes, and listen to your lesson book, you should be prepared to make the most of your lesson book on an iPad. If you need assistance with your electronic lesson books, please contact the IT Help Desk.